Bugatti hypercars are the coolest, fastest, and most luxurious cars ever made. These cars are like a work of art, and they are so fast and powerful, they can take your breath away. Only the richest and luckiest people in the world can afford them. From the super famous Veyron to the incredible Chiron and others, Bugatti always makes the most amazing cars. For people who love cars and speed, the Bugatti hypercars are like a dream come true, and they will leave you both amazed and impressed. In this video, we'll explore the story of Bugatti, from the Chiron hypercar to the most expensive car on Earth. As a bonus, we'll share with you some of the biggest stars on the planet with their $3 million Bugatti hypercars. So stick around until the very end to find out who owns one. Bugatti was founded in 1909 by Ettore Bugatti, an Italian-born engineer who had a passion for racing and a talent for designing luxury cars. Ettore Bugatti has become synonymous with high-end luxury automobiles. Ettore Bugatti was known for his innovative and daring designs, which even incorporated advanced materials and cutting-edge technology. He set up his first factory in the French town of Mulsanne, where he started producing cars that quickly gained a reputation for their speed, agility, and beauty. Here are a few examples of his best cars. Bugatti Type 35. This was one of the Bugatti's most successful racing cars, with over 2,000 units produced between 1924 and 1931. Bugatti Royale. This was a luxury car that was produced between 1927 and 1933, and only 6 of them were ever made. It was considered one of the most expensive cars of its time. Bugatti Type 41, aka La Royale. This was another luxury car that was produced in limited numbers between 1927 and 1933, and only 25 units were ever made. It was also considered to be one of the most expensive cars of its era. Bugatti Type 57. This was a sports car that was produced between 1934 and 1940, and it was known for its stylish designs and impressive performance. These are just a few examples of the many amazing cars that Ettore Bugatti produced during his career. Today, Bugatti is part of the Volkswagen Group and has its headquarters in France. But the company's spirit and DNA remain the same: to push the boundaries of automotive engineering and create cars that are not only fast, but also exclusive, elegant, and expensive. One of the most iconic Bugatti models of recent times is the Veyron, which was launched in 2005 and stayed in production until 2015. The Veyron was a game changer in many ways. It was the first production car to exceed 1,000 horsepower, the first to break over the 400 km/h barrier, and the first to combine extreme speed with exceptional comfort and refinement. The Bugatti Veyron is a hypercar that is widely regarded as one of the most impressive and most powerful cars ever made. It sets several world records for speed and performance. The Veyron is powered by a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine and produces a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. This allows the car to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, and to reach a top speed well over 250 miles per hour. The Veyron's performance is nothing short of breathtaking, and it's no surprise that it comes in with a hefty price tag. When it was first released, the Veyron cost well over $1 million, and later models were even more expensive. However, for those who can afford it, the Veyron represents the ultimate in luxury and performance, and it remains one of the most sought-after hypercars in the world. But Bugatti doesn't just make fast cars. The company also creates rare limited edition models that are designed for specific purposes, such as track performance and extreme aerodynamics. One of these models is the Devo, which is a more agile and aerodynamic version of the Chiron that was made in a limited run of 40 units. Another recent limited edition model is the 110, which pays homage to the iconic Bugatti EB110 from the 1990s. The 110 has a unique design which blends classic and modern elements, and only 10 units will ever be made. But let's not forget about the classic Bugattis that started it all. The Type 35 is perhaps the most famous Bugatti racing car of all time, with over 2,000 victories in its heyday. The Type 35 was not only fast, but also beautiful, with its distinctive horseshoe-shaped radiator and long flowing lines. And then there's the Bugatti Royale, which was one of the most luxurious cars of the 1930s. The Royale was built in a limited run of only 6 units, and each one was customized to suit the tastes of its wealthy owner. The Royale's massive proportions and elegant styling made it a symbol of extravagance and exclusivity. In 2017, the Veyron was succeeded by the Chiron, which is Bugatti's current flagship model. The Bugatti Chiron is a hypercar that is even more powerful and exclusive than its predecessor, the Veyron. Its 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine produces a whopping 1,479 horsepower, which allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, and reach a top speed of 304 miles per hour. The Chiron's performance is truly mind-blowing, and it's no surprise that it comes with a gigantic price tag. The starting price for a Bugatti Chiron is around $3 million, and that's before you add any customization options. But for those who can afford it, the Chiron represents the ultimate in luxury, exclusivity, and performance, and it's considered to be one of the most impressive hypercars ever made. The Bugatti Chiron is an incredibly exclusive car, with only a handful of people being lucky enough to own one. Here are 10 famous people who are known to own a Bugatti Chiron. Cristiano Ronaldo, Simon Cowell, Drake, Jay-Z, Travis Scott, Serena Williams, Tom Cruise, Floyd Money Mayweather Jr., Roberto Carlos, and Manny Koshbin. These are just a few of the many famous people who have been lucky enough to add a Bugatti Chiron to their collection of cars. The most expensive Bugatti ever made is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, which was unveiled at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. This one-of-a-kind hypercar was sold to an anonymous buyer for a jaw-dropping $18.7 million, making it the most expensive new car ever sold. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a modern interpretation of the classic Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, which was designed by Jean Bugatti in the 1930s. The car features a handcrafted carbon fiber body, a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine that produces 1,500 horsepower and a top speed of 261 miles per hour. The car's stunning design and engineering makes it a true masterpiece, and its exclusivity is unmatched. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a true collector's item, and it is sure to be a highly sought-after piece of automotive history for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you had a good time, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and we appreciate your support. That's all for now, and we'll see you all in the next one.